Marina Square Auto Center strives to make buying or leasing a new or pre-owned vehicle a pleasant and rewarding experience. We are one of the premier dealerships in the country, as our commitment to customer service is second to none. We offer one of the most comprehensive sales, finance, parts, and service departments in the automotive industry. Come meet our knowledgeable and friendly staff and see our great selection of new and pre-owned vehicles, like this.
Check out this red 09 Pontiac Ram 6G ton, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission with 43,716 miles. Enjoy an impressive 26 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like side airbags, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, power steering, power brakes, power door locks, power windows, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 09 Pontiac Ram 6G ton. See us at Marina Square Auto Center today.
At Marina Square Auto Center, we are united in the absolute belief that every single day we must provide a professional and supportive environment which exemplifies pride, enthusiasm, honesty, and caring for all our customers and employees. Marina Square Auto Center at the Marina Auto Mall, just off the 880 freeway on Marina Boulevard. Come see us today.